Hey you, and welcome back to Beauty Over 40. This month's collab is Women in Black History. Please be sure you check out all the other girls and stay tuned for my look.
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now. We'll go where there ain't no crowds, somewhere underneath the clouds. I'm down if you're down.
Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started. This is going to be a voiceover because one, back then they didn't wear a lot of makeup, but we're just going to do our makeup and then just kind of educate you guys on Mary. Let's just go ahead and jump into the makeup and also the voiceover. So I'm just going to be doing my makeup and sharing some information about Mary with you guys.
Mary Eliza Mahoney. Eager to encourage greater equality for African Americans and women, Mary Eliza Mahoney pursued a nursing career which supported these aims. She is noted for becoming the first African American licensed nurse. Mary Eliza Mahoney was born in the spring of 1845 in Boston, Massachusetts. The exact date of her birth is unknown. Born to freed slaves who had moved to Boston from North Carolina, Mary learned from an early age the importance of racial equality. She was educated at the Phillips School in Boston, which after 1855 became one of the first integrated schools in the country. After she finished her training, Mahoney decided not to follow a career in public nursing due to the overwhelming discrimination often encountered there. Instead, she pursued a career as a private nurse to focus on the care needs of individual clients. Her patients were mostly from wealthy white families who lived up and down the East Coast. She was known for her efficiency, patience, and caring bedside manner. After decades as a private nurse, Mahoney became the director of the Howard Orphanage Asylum for Black children in Kings Park, Long Island, in New York City. She served as a director from 1911 until 1912. In 1993, Mary Eliza Mahoney was inducted into the National Women's Hall of Fame in Seneca Falls, New York. Mahoney's grave in Everett, Massachusetts, has also become a memorial site. In 1973, Helen S. Miller, winner of the Mahoney Award in 1968, led a fundraising drive to erect a monument to Mahoney at the gravesite. Her efforts were supported by the National Sorority for Professional and Student Nurses, Chi Eta Phi, and the ANA. The memorial was completed in 1973 and stands as a testament to Mahoney's legacy.
Hope you enjoyed that Black History, Women in Black History collaboration with my Beauty Over 40 girls. Please make sure you check all of the ladies out. I will have a link to Mary Eliza Mahoney's Wikipedia page just in case you guys wanting to look into that more. And that is it for this video, guys. So until next time, if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at LRHMakeup and also on TikTok as LRHMakeup and also _Beauty Over 40. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on post notifications. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. Alright guys, until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.